Alright, you are highly welcome to the channel, and today what I'm going to show you today is really simple. I'm going to show you some AI tools you can use, especially if you want to generate briefs for your designs. Alright, so you could, if you know the name of your brand or know what you want to generate briefs for, or if you just want to practice and you're wondering what can I use to get out briefs that you can use for practice, here are some of the tools you can explore for your briefs. Okay, so before I go into that, if you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video and share to other people as well. Let's get back into the video. So the first tool, I just go straight to the point. The first tool is Good Briefs. Now look at the website here, goodbrief.io. Alright, so now what you need to do first of all is to select your niche. Okay, if you want to do for brand identity, maybe you want to create a design for brand identity brand, or you want to practice along that line, you can select it. If you want logo design, you can select logo design, and then you also select the niche right here. Okay, is it for a real estate company, is it for a technology company, whatever it is, you select it, and after you're done with that, you hit generate. So it's going to generate a brief for you that you can use. Alright, so now you are given a deadline. Well, this deadline, you know, is it's just like that. Okay, so now you have been given the name Technical Pixel, that's the name of the company, and then what the company is about. So after you've gotten this brief like this, then you can use this information to generate logo ideas. Okay, the other AI platform you can use apart from this is this Nicara brief. Okay, this is a little bit advanced. So what you're going to do, like we did, you can select the category. This can generate songs, can generate copies and what have you. So our category is for graphic design. The niche is let's say for, you can even generate for UI UX design as well for this. Okay, so let's do for branding and logo design. Industry, we are going to choose fashion. Okay, we are going to choose fashion. The deadline, just leave it deadline. So I think we chose brand identity, so we pick logo, brand style guide, business card, stationery, font and typography. So now for this, you are going to, if you have not signed, if you have not registered, you can click register, and then if you've registered, they're going to give you some points. So if the points are given to you, you can just generate new. Let's wait for a little while.